So let us check commutative property over multiplication means here A into B is equals to B into A. So either it is called as LHS and this one is called as the RHS. So both side LHS and RHS the answer should be same. If it is only same, then only we can say that the property will satisfy. So here I have taken A as minus 1 by 3, here B as taken 4 by 5. Now you have to multiply A into B and equals to B into A. Whether in both cases the answer will be same. Now let us check my A as minus 1 by 3 into 4 by 5 is equals to 4 by 5 into minus 1 by 3. And now you have to multiply minus 1 into 4 is minus 4 and 3 into 5 as 15. Here is equals to 4 into minus 1 is minus 4 and 5 into 3 is 15. So now check. So both LHS and RHS are same. Yes, LHS
Yes,
and
sir.
RHS both
Yes,
are
sir.
equal.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can we write directly the statement?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No,
No,
You
sir.
have to
no,
take
No,
you have
sir.
to take one more example. You have to take one more example.
No, sir.
Again, you can take A as minus 3 by 8 and B as 15 by 17, like that. Or you can take both are minus. Now I want to prove commutative property over multiplication, like that. Now put their values. Minus 3 by 8 into minus 15 by 17 is equals B as minus 15 by 17 into minus 3 by 8. So now look at, now multiply minus 3 into minus 15.
Plus 45,
45,
sir.
sir. Plus 45.
Yes.
Sir.
Plus 45.
48,
Very
sir.
good.
Yes, sir.
And
45,
8
sir.
into 17.
136, sir.
136, sir. 136.
Very good. Very good. And minus 15 into minus 3.
45, sir.
45, sir.
Yes.
45, sir.
45, sir.
17. Okay, again 17 into 8.
136, sir.
136, sir.
136, sir.
136. Very good.
Yes, 136,
Now, very good. So see, in all these cases, all these cases, whether LHS is equal to RHS.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
now we
Yes,
goes
sir.
on taking the examples like that. You can take any two rational numbers and you have to multiply A into B, A into B, and then B into A. In every cases, in every situation, the answer will be same. Are you agree for this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you can take and you have to imagine that whenever we can take any two rational numbers and then we have to multiply A with B or B with A. So in all these cases, the answer will be same. That means A into B is equal to B into A. So the finally we can write the statement. What is that statement?
Satisfied, sir.
Commutative property over multiplication for rational number is satisfied.
Commutative property over multiplication for rational numbers is satisfied, sir.
Rational numbers is satisfied, sir.
Okay, commutative property over multiplication is satisfied. Are you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
tell
sir.
me,
Yes, sir.
what about the over addition? Sorry, over division.
No,
Not
sir. That is
satisfied.
not satisfied.
Not satisfied, sir.
Obviously, it will not satisfy. Okay, na? If
Yes.
A by B is equals to B by A.
No,
Now
sir.
let us check. A as minus 3 by 7, B as 1 by 5. I have taken like that. First, A means what? A means minus 3 by 7. Mute your audios. Here. And B means what? 1 by 5 is equals to, here B means what? 1 by 5 divided by A means
Minus
minus
3 by
3
7.
by 7. Okay. Now let us check. Minus 3 by 7. So what we have to do for this one?
Sir.
Into
Reciprocal.
multiple numbers by putting as multiplication sign. And again here also 1 by 5 into 7 by minus 3. Is it right?
Minus
Yes.
Okay. Now minus 3 into 5. What?
minus 15,
Minus
sir.
15, sir.
Minus 15 divided by
Minus
7
15,
into
sir.
1. 7.
7, sir.
1 into 7
Sir.
is
7.
7.
7, sir.
7, sir.
5 into minus
Minus 15.
Minus 15.
Minus 15, sir.
okay. And we can also write that minus 15 by 7 or minus 7 by 15. So in this situation, whether the LHS is equal to RHS?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes,
sir.
they are not
No, sir.
equals.
No, sir.
Because yes, minus 15 by 17 is here in LHS side and minus 7 by 15 on RHS side. So that means it will not satisfy. So can we write directly the statement?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yaar re- Okay. Again see here. Now look at LHS is equals to RHS. Here in this case over division LHS is not equals to RHS. So that means we can write the final statement here.
Commutative property over division is not satisfied. Commutative property over division is not satisfied, sir. Not
over division
Division
Is not satisfied,
is
sir.
is not
not
satisfied.
why we have written directly this statement?
Because one is not satisfied.
Because one is not satisfied, sir, then whole are not satisfied, sir.
Okay. So in any one example it will fails. That means entire that property will fail. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Okay, once we have to recall commutative property. Property A plus B is equals to B plus A. That means what? Over addition. Whether it is satisfied or not.
yes, satisfied, sir. Yes.
Very good. What about A minus B is equals to B minus A?
Not
Not
satisfied, sir.
Not satisfied, sir.
What about A into B is equals to B into A?
Satisfied, sir.
What about A by B is equals to B by
Sir.
A?
Not satisfied, sir.
Very good. Should have to be keep in your mind. Keep in your mind. Okay, na? So these are the property. So now come to the directly come to the associative property. Once we have to take associative property. So now I want to take one more property, that is associative property. Look at this associative property. In a particular this property, what we have to take? over addition. In the previous properties, we have taken only two examples, A and B. But here, in this case, we have to take A, B,
A,
C.
B,
Three
and C.
okay, three rational numbers. So you know that over addition, I want to first add, look at, first I want to add A plus B to this answer. After getting this answer, to this answer, I will add to C. Look at this one. So we will, after adding these three, we will get one answer. And let us, I want to change the method. Here, first I want to put A as it is. And now I want to add B plus C. After adding B plus C, we will get one answer. That result will again add to the A. So what will happen? Let us check. If the answer is belongs to the rational number or they are equal, then only we can say that it is associative property, or associative property over addition is satisfied. If it is not equals to both side, LHS is equals to LHS is equals to RHS, it is satisfied. If LHS is not equals to RHS, that means it is not satisfied. Let us check. So I want to take any three rational numbers. A as minus 1 by 2, B is equals to 2 by 3, and C is equals to minus 1 by 5. Like this. I have taken three rational numbers. Minus 1 by 2, 2 by 3, and minus 1 by 5. Like this. So I want to solve, right? So look at this one. I want to add simultaneously, or we can take first LHS and after RHS. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ LHS ತಗೊಂಡು RHS ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡು at a time ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ?
At a time.
Correct. Okay, ಸರಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಈಗ A plus B ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಹಳ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ನಾನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ A ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಿದೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 by 2 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 by 2 ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಏನಿದೆ 2 by 3 ಇದೆ, ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 by 5 ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 by 2. ಓಕೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಬಿ ಏನಿದೆ 2 by 3 ಇದೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಓವರ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್. ಸಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 by 5. ಹಾ, ಈ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ನಾಗ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನಾವು ಸರಿ. ಇನ್ನ ಇವನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದಾವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಲಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ತಗೊಂಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಮೈನಸ್ 1 by 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 by 3. ಹಾ, ಇದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 by 5. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 by 2 ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ 2 by 3 ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. Now here plus into minus is what? Minus 1 by 5. ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಲಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ. ಸರಿ, ನಾವು ಈಗ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ we have to solve in the values in the brackets. Okay. Now if you want to add these two, that means what we have to do?
LCM.
LCM of 2 and 3. What is the LCM of 2 and 3?
6.
Very good. 6. Next, 2 3s are 3 2s are. Next, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Plus minus 2 is 4. Very good. Minus 1 by 5. 1 by 5 as it is ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3 and 5 LCM ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ
15 sir. 15. 15 sir. 15 sir.
Okay.
15.
3 5s are 5 3s are.
Five,
Correct?
sir.
Okay. Next.
Yes, sir.
2 5s are 10.
10, sir.
Okay. Minus 1 3s are
3. 3 sir.
okay. ಸರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ one second. Okay. Minus 3 plus 4 is what?
-1, sir.
Minus huh?
+1, sir.
Plus 1 sir. Plus 1 sir.
1, sir.
Plus 1 by 6.
Greater number is
The
4,
biggest
sir.
number is 4, which has the positive sign. Plus 1 by 4. Okay. 1 by 6 ಬಂತು correct. And minus 1 by 5 as it is ಬರೋದು. Correct. Here 1 by 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ 10 minus 3.
7 by 7, sir.
7 by 15 sir.
7 by
Very good. Now again what we have to do?
minus LCM, sir.
LCM.
30 sir. LCM. 30 sir.
30, sir.
Okay. So 6 5s are 5 6s are
5
1 5 5
minus
minus
6, sir.
plus
minus 6.
correct. And again what is the LCM of 2 and 15?
30, sir.
30 sir. 30 sir.
Okay. 2 15s are 15 2s are 1 15 plus
15 plus 14.
15 plus 14 sir.
15 plus 14, sir.
okay.
Minus 1 by 30.
Minus
1 by
1 by 30, sir. Nice, sir.
minus 1 by 30 sir.
next
1 by 30 sir.
1 by 30, sir.
1 by 30 sir.
now tell me what is the answer?
It is not satisfied sir.
Not satisfied, sir.
It is not satisfied, sir.
It is not satisfied sir.
I think we have did something mistake.
Sir, minus
1 ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 by 2 ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು
ಸರ್ ಎರಡು minus 1 by 30 ಬರ್ತದೆ.
ಸರ್ ಅದ ಎರಡು ಮೈನಸ್ 1 by 13 ಆಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ರಿ
ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ
ಹೌದು
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ
ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು
minus 15 ಆಯ್ತು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
ಸರ್.
ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಎಕಡೆ ಇರ್ತೀರಿ minus 1 neglect ಹಾ if you neglect any one positive or negative sign the entire answer will be wrong. Look at here minus ಇದೆ okay minus 15 now minus 15 plus 14
minus 1, sir.
minus 1
ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಸರ್
answer now.
Right, sir.
The answer is LHS is equals to
RHS
okay RHS. You know that you can take any three rational numbers, you have to add them in this way. In both cases, both LHS and RHS, the answer will be same. The answer will be same. So it will always LHS equals to RHS. So directly we can write the statement commutative property. Sorry, it is not a commutative.
Associative property. Associative property.
Associative property for rational numbers over
Addition is
Addition
is satisfied.
Okay. This is the final statement. Are you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Over subtraction. Over subtraction. Over subtraction means same. A minus B minus C is equals to A minus B minus C.
C.
Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
A as minus 1 by 5, B as 1 by 3, C as 1 by 2. Like this, we have taken three rational numbers and you have to subtract both LHS and RHS. A minus B minus C is equals to A minus B minus C. Here, put what is A? Minus 1 by 5. What is B? 1 by 3.
Minus 2 by 3.
Okay. And C as 1 by 2.
1 by
Okay.
2.
Minus 1, A as minus 1 by 5 minus B as what? 1 by 3
1 by
minus C
3.
as 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Take the LCM of 5 and 3.
15, sir.
15, sir.
15, sir.
15. 5 3
15.
3 5 minus 3 minus 5.
Minus 1.
Okay. So minus 1 by 2 is equals to minus 1 by 5 keep as it is. And here the LCM of 3 and 2 is
6, sir. 6.
3
Six, sir.
3 Next 2 minus 3.
Minus 3.
Okay. Now minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8.
Minus 8 by
Minus
8.
Minus 1 by
Minus
2.
8 by
Here
1 by 2.
minus 1 by 5 minus 2 minus 3 is minus 1 by 6
Minus 1.
minus 8 by 15 minus 1 by 2. Here minus 1 by 5 minus into minus is plus 1 by 6. Okay. And again the LCM of 15 and 2.
30, sir.
30, sir.
15 2 za 2 15 za minus 16 minus 15 is equals to again 5. The LCM of 5 and 6 is also 30. 5 6 za 6 5 za minus
6 plus 5. Minus 6 plus 5.
What about the answer? Minus 16 and minus 15.
Minus 31, sir.
Minus 31 by 30. And here
Minus 1 by 30, sir.
minus 1 by 30.
Minus
Whether
1.
LHS is equal to RHS?
No, sir. No, sir.
They are not equal. Therefore, LHS is not equals to RHS. That means we can directly write that
It is not satisfied.
yes,
Associative property or subtraction is not satisfied. Or subtraction is not satisfied.
over subtraction
Is not
He is not satisfied.
is not satisfied.
Okay.
Okay, na? Are you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now we can take over multiplication. Come to the over multiplication. Over multiplication here A into B into C, here A into B into C, like that. Again you can take A as minus 2 by 3, B is equals to 3 by 5, and C is equals to minus 1 by 2, like this. And put the values here, minus 2 by 3 into P as 3 by 5,
3 by
bracket
5.
complete, into here, minus 1 by 2.
1 by
Very
2.
good. Very good. Here A as minus 2 by 3 into bracket, B as 3 by 5 into, and here minus 1 by 2.
Minus 1 by 2.
Okay. Now look at minus 2 into 3.
Minus
Or
6,
you
sir.
can
Minus
look
6.
at, they can
Minus
cancel here.
Minus 6 by 15.
3 1
Sorry,
3
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
1.
3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು 3 and 3 ಉಳಿತೇನಿಲ್ಲ minus 2 by
Minus 2
5.
by 5.
Minus 2 by 5.
ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ minus 1 by 2.
1 by
Minus
2.
1 by
ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ರಿ minus 2 by 3 as it is ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ into here 3 into minus 1 minus 3.
Minus
5 2s
Minus 3.
10.
10.
Correct, huh? Very good.
Yes,
sir.
Now minus 2 into minus 1.
2,
plus
sir.
2, sir.
Plus 2.
Plus 2,
Plus 2, sir.
Plus 2.
Sir,
5
cancel.
2s
10, sir. 10.
10.
10,
10.
sir. Sir, cancel ಆಗತ್ರಿ. Sir, cancel ಆಗತ್ರಿ.
3 1 3 1 sir.
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಈ
2
3
1
get cancelled. 2
2
1
1 2
ಈ
5.
ಕಡೆ
2 5
ಸರ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗತ್ರಿ 2
minus 1 by 5 ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ 2 1 2 5. What is the answer?
1 by 5.
1 by 5, sir.
So minus 2 minus
1.
Sir, minus 1 minus
ಸರ್
5
ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 ಬರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ. minus 1 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ.
Minus 1 by 5
ಬರ್ತಲ್ರಿ.
Not, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್
minus
Minus into minus plus, sir.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. Now 1 by 5 is equals to 1 by 5 ಆಯ್ತಾ? Therefore LHS is equals to RHS.
equal to
RHS is satisfied.
So directly we can write the
Associative
statement.
property or associative property over multiplication is satisfied.
over
Or
multiplication is satisfied.
satisfied.
Is satisfied.
Over property, associative property over multiplication
Multiplication
is
satisfied.
satisfied. Okay. So what? Tell me now the last one. Associative property over division. What will be the statement?
Not satisfied, sir.
Not satisfied, sir.
Not satisfied.
Not satisfied,
Not
sir.
satisfied.
sir.
Not
Not
satisfied.
satisfied, sir.
Not satisfied, sir.
A divided by B divide C is not equals to A divided by
A divided by B divided by C.
right? ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಹೋಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್.
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ? ಓಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ ಬಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನ್ಯೂ ದಟ್.
Yes, sir.
ಇದು ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ. ಓಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್
Associative
ದಟ್.
property addition is not satisfied.
Okay. Over addition, over subtraction, over multiplication,
Over
over division.
multiplication or division.
What about over addition?
Satisfied, sir.
Satisfied.
Satisfied, sir. Satisfied.
Over subtraction?
Not satisfied, sir.
No, sir.
Not
Not
satisfied.
satisfied.
Over
Satisfied, sir.
multiplication?
Yes, sir.
Satisfied,
Yes,
sir.
sir, it is satisfied.
Satisfied, sir.
No,
Over
sir.
division.
Not satisfied, sir.
Not satisfied, sir. Not satisfied.
Not
Not
satisfied, sir.
satisfied.
Okay.
Associative
So-
property over.
Very good. So now one more table. First one, closure property, commutative property,
Associative property.
Associative property.
Associative property.
okay, over
Distribution.
addition, over subtraction, over multiplication, over division.
Over division.
Okay, closure property over addition for rational number,
Satisfied, sir.
over subtraction,
Yes,
Not
sir.
satisfied, sir.
Satisfied, sir. Satisfied, sir.
over
Satisfied, sir.
Satisfied, sir.
Yes, sir.
over
Satisfied, sir.
division,
No, sir. No,
No,
sir.
sir. Not satisfied, sir.
No, satisfied, sir. Not satisfied, sir.
Satisfied, sir.
1/0 ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾ. Next, commutative property over addition.
Yes, sir.
Satisfied, sir.
Yes, sir.
Satisfied.
Yes, sir.
Over
No, sir.
subtraction.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
They are not. Over multiplication.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Satisfied, sir.
Over division.
No, sir.
Satisfied, sir.
Associative property over addition.
Yes, sir.
Satisfied.
Satisfied.
Over subtraction.
Not satisfied, sir.
Not
sir.
Not sir.
No, sir.
No. Over multiplication.
Yes, sir.
Satisfied, sir. Satisfied, sir.
Yes, sir.
Over division.
Not satisfied, sir. Not satisfied, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Very good. So you have to do homework for the associative property with 2 examples.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
This is the homework.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is your homework.
sir.
If there is any doubts, you can ask now.